If you're a stress snacker, then you need to hear this. These 11 superfoods don't just taste good, they help you stay sane. Let's put down the chips and pick up the calm. We all get stressed. Deadlines, traffic, your group chat blowing up. But don't just ride the stress wave, eat your way through it. Seriously, first up, avocado creamy, dreamy, and full of healthy fats that boost your brain and mood. Matcha is next. It's like green tea's cooler cousin. It calms your mind but keeps you sharp. Need a reason to eat? Here's one. Chocolate boosts serotonin, your feel-good hormone. Just keep it 70% cocoa or more. Yes, really. A spoonful of peanut butter gives you protein and healthy fats that keep blood sugar stable and mood steady. Now let's talk fish. Like salmon are loaded with omega-3 SS, a fancy word for brain food. Tomatoes are little red stress fighters. They're packed with antioxidants that help your body chill. Blueberries, tiny but mighty, they lower cortisol, your stress hormone. Banana help your body make dopamine, your natural happy juice. Plus, they're portable and cheap. Win-win. Coconut, whether it's milk, oil, or flakes, supports brain health and may reduce anxiety. Mushrooms, especially the adaptogenic kind like reishi or lion's mane, help your body handle stress better. That's 11 superfoods to make stress a little less stressful. So next time life gets chaotic, snack smart. Your brain and your mood will thank you.